Today we are going to our trip. About the back where the luggage is. We're over there. So we're about to leave. We're just going to wait for someone. And it's nighttime. So let's just so we're gonna go into the airport. So bye.
Tayo nakikita dun sa likod.
Hey guys!
Hi!
So we're going to
The Philippines!
the Philippines. Dito na kami sa sa sasakyan. Nakapack na kami, on the way na kami. Anong oras? 6:43 PM. Dalawang sasakyan kami, yung sasakyan yung very good friend namin si Mike.
Oh, thank you Lord.
Kasama niya,
Mike
sinamahan
and
niya kami.
family.
Kasama rin yung family niya. Kasama yung minivan. Ay, gamit yung minivan. Sinakay yung mga
Minivan pa ba yun?
sinakay yung mga gamit namin. So on the way kami ngayon sa airport. 30 minutes ride going there. So grabe, medyo stressful. Pero buti na samahan tayo Mike talaga.
So sana may pasok yung mga maleta, mga luggages na walang
Sana walang overweight
problema.
on the way. So ayun. Later na lang ulit pagdating sa airport. Buti lang hindi rin masyadong malayo. Tsaka hopefully hindi sobrang traffic kasi Friday night. Yun. Laters!
Bye!
Hello! So dito na kami. Nakapasok na kami sa gate. At umpisa pa lang ng biyahe, medyo bakbakan na, napalaban na. Pero ayun, at least na-check-in na namin lahat ng mga baggage, wala namang na overweight. So dito kami sa gate. Maghintay pata kami ng mga 1 hour before boarding. Ayun, ganda ng ganda ng area dito. Ayun na. I think mag-start na ata boarding. Ayan. Hi. Hi. Ayan. Hi. So, ayan. Later, kita-kits sa Taiwan. Or ewan ko kung maka-vlog pa ako sa plane. Let's see. Parang at time dito kanina, hirap magsalita. Later. Yan. Boarding na kami. It's time. Let's go, Shishi. Go guys. Oops, nahulog lap. Oh boy. Oh. I got it, love. Go. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Hi. Yun na, boss. Yun na kami sa plane. Yay! So, eto na. This is it. Hopefully, safe flight naman. Later. Hi, love. Dito na kami sa Taiwan. Hanapin gate. Let's go. Yes, baby. Ganda dito sa terminal ng Taiwan. Merong Sanrio shop. Gusto ng mga bata ito. Sila Cinema Row. Wow. Nice, love. Ganda. So, tingin lang kami dito. Tapos, punta na sa gate. Actually, gusto sana namin kumain. Pero sakat nung sikmura. Nice.
A little bit later on before we start making our descent. Right now we're just doing the final load, so we should be pushed back to be on our way in the next 10 to 15 minutes. So sit back, relax, try the flavors. So once again, you're very welcome on board.
So dito na kami sa plane from Taiwan to Clark. Last stop. Excited na kami. Tsaka ang cute tong plane kasi Sanrio plane, kaya happy itong mga girls.
Sanrio!
Later.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya at the Philippines.
Hi, Shing.
Hi.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! Almost there. Almost home. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey! Let's go. Bukas nabutas yung isang bagahe. Pero wala naman na kulang. Kaya natagalan kami. Right, Shing? We are here. We're home, Shing. Ayun na. I see Mamsi. Sa harap na harap talaga eh. Yeah. Hi. Yay. Hi, Dads. Hi. Kuya, kamusta?
Ay, hello!
Hi. Yay!
Ay, hindi.
Oh, yak lang. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't cry, baby. Don't
Si
cry.
Ma'am,
Don't cry,
si
Ma'am
Ma'am, si
sis.
Ma'am,
Oh,
si
don't cry
natawa
na.
na siya.
Don't
Oy!
cry.
Ay!
Welcome.
Ay! Thank you. Thank you. Ay, tita ko lang.
Hi, Shing.
Oh, Shing, one bear? Shing, look oh. Shing, natakot. Natakot siya.
Ginger bell.
Ay, ma'am, natakot siya. Hi. Hi.
My baby.
Hi. Natakot siya. Kinuha niyo bugs eh. Oh. It's okay, Papa see you.
Ginger.
Look, Shing. Oh, may dinosaur. May dinosaur. Oh, no. Hey! We are back. Ito na kami. Hi, Dad, Mom, everyone. So, Jax. Ito na sila, nakasakay na. Tapos, ito na yung van. Hi!
say hi.
Yeah. Pero umiyak si Shing. Umiiyak, natakot. Akala niya kukunin ng ng mga unknown tipo. So, harap muna kami makakainan and then pahinga, uwi. Later. That's a wrap.